B.Grimm Power, a world-class power producer whose production meets international standards, being run by professional management with a strong track record for more than 2 decades. We are poised to strengthen the stability of energy supply for Thailand and strive to grow in parallel with the rising power needs in Thailand and ASEAN with a sustainable manner. Our projects, including power plants in commercial operations, under construction and development, with a combined generating capacity of more than 3,000 megawatts. Our power plants are operated by diverse forms of energy. We have cogeneration power plants with an aggregate generating capacity of 2,257 megawatts, operating at leading industrial estates in Thailand, where industries are counting on us for secure and reliable energy supply. Our solar photovoltaic power stations are located in Thailand and Vietnam with 822 megawatts in total capacity. We are proud to be one of the major forces behind the harnessing of renewable energy to support economic growth in the region. Our wind energy production stands at 16 megawatts, and plans are underway to expand our footprint to South Korea and Vietnam with more than 100 megawatts in combined wind power capacity. As we are committed to renewable energy development, it is therefore translated into hydropower in Laos with 133 megawatts capacity. Also, are waste-to-energy diesel power plants, rooftop solar projects, and power distribution systems. We strive to develop the society, raise the quality of life in various aspects, such as environmental conservation, and education. The endeavor stems from our vision of empowering the world compassionately by being a part in creating and developing prosperity for Thai society and the nation. Along with the sustainable growth of the company and ASEAN in the future. B.Grimm Power, empowering the world compassionately.